Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how you could get Patreon content for free in 2025. Now, the first thing you need to do is look for free or public posts. Depending on your creator, many of these creators do offer, free content, available on their Patreon. So you just go to their page, you scroll through their posts, and you just filter by public. Okay, these ones are paid, and you come here, you click on filter, and you just click on public. Look at this one, 117 free public access. Apply the filter. So you can see right here, you can even join for free. It just depends on the Patreon. These ones are paid, but these others are free public episodes. As you can see right here, a lot of these people, what they do, they are not able to post certain content on places like YouTube. So they post them on Patreon as well, and they have tiers. Some have special access, okay? So that's one way you could go about that. And you can also check the creators' other platforms where, Twitch streams, Twitter, the Instagram. Sometimes they share Patreon rewards after a delay, right? After a week, they could share it. You could also join free trials. Some creators have free trials on their page that you can access all their exclusive content during your trial, then you cancel before you're actually charged. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.